Hey, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And we got fireworks. I am super excited. I'm gonna be with you guys. Watch it with us. So stay tuned for these fireworks. Show is gonna be epic. Ready? They said it goes off for 3 minutes. Yeah. Next one, while this one is still going off. Okay, baby, this one is the big boy one. This one is the big boy one. Oh, it's not as big as I thought, but. Scared. I'm scared. Next one. You like that one? It's gone. Got all these beautiful, beautiful fireworks. What's this right here? You counting it down for us? You want to stand next to me? You want to stand next to me, scared? It's your game. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, you scared? We too close?
You see that?
We saw that. Y'all saw that? Yeah, y'all heard him? Y'all saw that? Boy standing over there, he was getting too scared. I'm assuming all of them is different then. Yes, sir. That right there, that's the big boy. Like your front. This right here is more for sound than for looks. So Kaden was getting a little bit too scared, so we decided to bring him inside. So now we're gonna finish the rest of these fireworks. And you guys gonna be along with us. You remember nephew Kadeem from the previous videos. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. So I'm so excited. Let's get those right there. Those the big boys. Those the one that need the cones that he just put in there. Back up. Ooh. Wait, let's save one for last, you know, and get all these. I mean, then again, we got those over there. So. I just want to watch out. This is kind of fun. Kadeem, you want to do the honors for this one? Open it.
Let's see what this does. How do you open it? Do you just...
Oh, those are the ones that goes off. Multiple ones. Anxious.
So is it finished?
My favorite one.
Is it finished? That's the last, right?
No, there's
Two last right here.
and then you got 2 of the bottle rockets, and then this.
Is it safe to...
Oh, you mean that? Yeah, that's done.
That's fun.
Okay. That's the one that, you know, stays on the floor. Yeah, it's all over the place. Now we're clumsy people. We're respectable. We're gonna leave things how we found it. So let's pick these up. Throw them away. It's all of our first time. With the big ones, at least. Okay, let's drop it in the funnel. Let's get this. Wow, that was pretty.
That was actually really decent.
Like all of these, let's open them up. You dumb excited, look at you. Pretty. It looks nice when it's all at the same time. Crazy, that was the last one lit and that's the first one out.
On to the edge.
Big boys.
Turn it this way. Give me your key. What's this one at the top?
Yo, we got an audience. Yeah, I can't see him, but we got an audience right now watching our fireworks. Definitely got an audience. Yeah, I can't see him but yet. We giving them a show right now. Just this thing is right here, so I'll. There's that one right there.
Wait a minute, don't let it yet, bro.
Y'all want to put them so close together?
That's what I'm
about to say. I'm trying to start a fire. Put this like right here.
Okay.
And the meat is over here, this side. Come on, hurry up! Gotta make a run for it. Oh, they falling over me. Yeah, because you couldn't get it. in time. It would have been decent if it was both going up like pow, 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 pow.
That's what I started with.
Beautiful. Just happy late Juneteenth.
It would have been better if the both of them was lit.
Yeah, but you know,
Doggone.
Why you had to get, see, that's the reason why. If you had the pink lighter,
I had to get it. I should have gave it a bit. But in the meantime, that's it. I hope you guys did enjoy the show. Again, happy late Juneteenth. If you didn't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And thanks for watching. Peace. See you in the next video.